Day everyone. I am Figueres Angelo together with my partner. So we are here to discuss our topic, Contrastive Patch Artificial Family Planning Method. So what is contrastive patch? The contrastive patch is a type of the hormonal constriction, also known as the patch. It has small, then a flexible patch that's applied to the skin, usually on the abdomen, bot- buttocks, or upper arm. The patch release hormones estrogen and progestin that prevent ovulation and thicken cervical mucus to block sperm. So guys, how the method works? So artificial or modern method in family planning include the use of method including pills, injectables, contraceptive patch, and IUD, condoms, and sterilization. So the contraceptive patch work by releasing hormones. So prevention of ovulation stop the ovaries from releasing an egg, so there's no egg available for fertilization. And taking cervical mucus make it harder for sperm reach the egg, blocking fertilization. So let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is easy, effective, weekly use, reversible, regulate period. So easy is just apply a new patch once a week. And effective is 91-99 effective in preventing pregnancy. The regulation period can make menstrual cycle more regular. So less cramp is may reduce menstrual cramp and bleeding. Ang reversible is fertility return quickly after stopping use. So ang disadvantage is skin irritation. Some user experience skin irritation or rash. Hormonal side effect, breast tenderness, nausea, and hidachi. And third is patch visibility may be visible on skin. And four is require weekly change, need to remember to change patch. And five is not for everyone, not suitable for women with certain medical condition, blood clots high, and blood pressure. And I will give discussion to my partner, Dupa. So,